Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. So, I saw something exciting from Rosemary and Co. yesterday and I really had to tell you ASAP. So, here we go. I first saw this announcement on their Instagram page and they're having their second brush sale. It's available until the 14th of February or until stocks last. For those of you who don't know what this is, I think this is basically a way for them to get rid of their stock by selling off those that don't pass quality check maybe, or some with minor defects, things like that. I'll put the links below if you're interested in them, but here's also how to find them on their website. Just search in their search bar for seconds, and you're going to be able to see two seconds bundle. One is 100% synthetic brushes and the other is natural hair. They both cost $93.75 USD. And once you're in the product page, this one is for the 100% synthetics. You're going to need to pick whether you want short handle brushes or long handle brushes. I'm assuming long handle might be for oil paints and acrylics, so choose the short ones, I guess. And then pick the medium for your brushes. So for us, it would be watercolor, and the shape of your brushes depends on your preference. And this is very important. Don't forget to read the description box, guys. So for the 100% synthetics, actually both descriptions are pretty much the same or similar. So for this one, it says that it contains 100% synthetic fibers only, so you won't get any natural brushes. Don't forget to select your handle length on the right hand side. You have to physically type in a 1, not click on a tick mark. And then please note, we can't offer specific sizes, shapes, quantities, or hair types. See these bundles as potluck. And I think that's the beauty of it, you're getting surprised. So maybe if you're not buying this for yourself, you could possibly buy this for a loved one, They do say there will be a space for you to type in your specific preferences, which they'll try to cater to, but don't expect much because, if you're paying $93 for something like this, I think you really have to have that mentality of like, oh, whatever I get, I'll be happy with it. And if that's not you, then maybe this isn't the type of product for you to buy. This might be better suited for a group of friends who want to try Rosemary & Co. brushes and want to save on shipping, or for those of you who want more brushes to play with but don't mind that they're in pristine condition. And the next thing I want to talk about is their shipping. So for those in the UK, it's free. So you're going to be paying the $93 and that's it. For those in the European Union, the quote is going to be at checkout. For those of you in the United States, shipping can cost about $20 upwards, depending on where you live and which shipping option you pick. And for everywhere else, you just need to plug in your country at checkout, and then there's going to be a quote for you how much shipping will be for you. Shipping to Thailand for me is about $20. Even if I wasn't on a no-buy this year, I'd probably have to consider really hard whether I want this or not. For those of you who want to see an example of what you might be getting, then you can head over to YouTube. I'll have the link below, but Cyan Ink Art has a video on this, sort of like a what did she get in her bundle. And alright, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.